Hello and welcome everyone. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I will introduce you to phonology and morphology. So, what is phonology and what is morphology? We will discuss it one by one. First, let's talk about phonology. Phonology is the study of the sound system of a language. In every language, especially English, letters don't just come together randomly to form a word. Every word you say is built from a set of distinct speech sounds, which are called phonemes. For example, bit and pit. Do you hear the difference? The tiny change from p to p creates a completely different word and meaning. That's what phonemes do. One small sound can change everything. So, why does this matter? Well, think about pronunciation. If you've ever struggled to say a word clearly or been misunderstood by a native speaker, phonology probably had something to do with it. Phonology helps us learn how English sounds are made, where they are placed in the mouth, and how they flow together in speech. Understanding phonology also improves spelling. English is not always spelled how it sounds, but knowing how the sound system works gives you clues. Okay, now that we've looked at how sound works, let's move into how words are built. Morphology, the study of forms in linguistics. More specifically, morphology is the study of the internal structure of words in a language. In language, the word is not the smallest meaningful unit. A single word may be constructed from more than one meaningful unit, which are called morphemes. Think of morpheme as Lego blocks of language. Each one carries a piece of meaning. For example, take the word unhappiness. It appears as a single word, but actually it has three morphemes. An, which means not happy, the root of the word, and ness, which turn an adjective into a noun. So when we say unhappiness, we are literally building a word that means the state of not being happy. Pretty cool, right? Now you might be wondering, why does morphology matter? And what can you do in understanding morphology? Here's what understanding morphology can help you do. It helps you recognize word meaning and patterns. For example, once you know that er means a person who does something, it is easy to guess the meaning of teacher, writer, or dancer. You can also understand how English words form. For example, cat and cats. You can easily distinguish which one is singular and which is plural. In addition, it also helps improve vocabulary. When you break a new word down into smaller parts, it is easier to understand and remember the word. When we combine phonology and morphology, we get a powerful knowledge of language. We understand not only what a word means and how it's built, but also how it sounds and how to say it correctly. This knowledge can also be a tool to explain why words change, how spelling relates to pronunciation, and why certain mistakes happen. Okay, maybe that's all for now. I'm so glad you are here. My appreciation to you for watching this video. See you.